So we're at the Toronto Boat Show. We're checking out the boat. So this is a police boat. Looks bigger here than when it's in the water. So this is an OPP boat. That's really cool. Here's another one. So 3 different cities of police boats, which is really cool. Look at that. Here's a nice boat. Dark. Oh my god, look how many boats there are. There's the NFL game. So now we're in the second room. This year it doesn't look like they sold that many boats. Oh, this is a cool display. So here's where we end this video. This was just a quick one. We're going to do another one next of different boats.